Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Today we are going to be doing a scrapping video. Unfortunately, it started out, I was trying to fix it, but it didn't work out, so it's in parts and pieces now. So at the end you'll get to see what's inside an air file. Let's get to it. Now let's see what's inside an air saw here. First of all, we got garbage. That's all just plastics and rubbers and things like that. Not sure if that's aluminum or titanium or something else. It feels lighter than I would think it would feel if it was just aluminum. Then we got the aluminum here. All these pieces are completely clean aluminum. I got this piece that I pulled out of there, and it's still got a piece of steel inside there. As you can see, it's sticking out a little bit. I've been working on bashing it, trying to get it out. After a while, it's just not worth your time. Some brass fittings of some sort. All this right here is just steel. It's all magnetic. And then we got quite a few screws, some grub screws, some pins, barrel pins, or whatever you call those right there. I can't think of the name. We got this fitting that came out of it. This actually came with it, so I'm not counting the fitting for the air hose. But it's a screen fitting, which is kind of cool. And a spring. We got one O-ring out safe. I had a couple others you could get, small ones that I ended up breaking trying to get them off. And then just some screws. So, is it worth tearing apart? For how difficult it was trying to get that crap out of there, probably not, but you know, you could still, pretty much the whole thing could be thrown in scrap and be good to go. But now you know what's inside an air saw. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.